Revelstoke garage. I just wanted to take the minute and show you a little project I'm going to do this afternoon. I need a coolant reservoir for my Chevy C60 that I've been working on. Alright, so we're going to take our, I got some 1/8 aluminum here, take it over the shear and cut it to length. Alright, we'll mark this up where we got to make our bends. Yeah, so here we are at box and pan brake. We can make some bends on this. Just like that. Alright, so this reservoir is going to be a little bit different. It's actually going to be 2 compartments. So the way I decided to do this was the smaller compartment. This is going to be for the air to water system. I just used some 4x4 rectangular tube and then bent up the larger compartments. So let's start buzzing this thing together. Hey guys, well, it's all finished up. I'm happy with the way this reservoir turned out. I got some clear tube on there so I can see the coolant level in each reservoir. All TIG welded up and ready to go. Yeah, just wanted to share this with you. Happy with the way it turned out. We'll get her installed on the truck.